Hello and welcome back to Simply Tasty for Picky Eaters, day 3 of my mini-series, One Dough, 4 Different Snacks. Today we are turning our same base dough into soft, fluffy hot dog buns. Perfect for lunch boxes, quick dinners, or even freezer prep. First, I divide the dough evenly using my kitchen scale. This helps make sure all buns bake evenly and have kind of the same size. Then I shape each piece into a small log. Don't worry about perfection, they will rise beautifully during the resting time. These buns are so versatile. You can fill them with anything your kids like. Hot dogs, cheese, hummus, or even use them as a sandwich roll to put some cheese and ham in it. They are so delicious. Let the shaped buns rest for around 20 to 30 minutes while you preheat your oven. This will make them even softer. And see, they turned out so golden brown, super soft and delicious. And yes, it's the same dough we used for the sandwich bread and the pizza muffins. One dough, so many possibilities. If you enjoyed this series, don't forget to like and subscribe.